Today we will solve the numerical based on short transmission line. So here is one numerical. In the question it is given as a single phase overhead transmission line delivers 1100 kilowatt at 33 kV at 0.8 power factor. Lagging. The load resistance and inductive reactance of line are 10 ohm and 15 ohm respectively. So always remember, before solving the short transmission line, see the question what is given and point out the value of the given in the question. So what we have to find: sending end voltage, sending end power factor, transmission efficiency and regulation. These 4 points we have to find. So first we will write what is given in the question. So you can see here the given is uh, power, voltage, power factor and resistance and inductive reactance. So we will write here the value which is given in the question, and always remember what is leading and what is lagging. Okay, so in the question it is given as 0.8 power factor lagging. So the first point to be find is the value of angle. What is given? Cos phi is equal to 0.8. Okay, so we will find phi means angle. So angle will equal to shifting this cos value to this opposite to the equal will become cos inverse 0.8, which is equal to 36.86 degree. And here you can see the resistance and inductive combination is nothing but the impedance. Z is equal to R plus JXL, which is 10 plus J15, and converting into polar form we get 18.027 angle 56.30. Okay, now we will draw the phasor diagram. Always remember, this type of problem basically is solved by using this phasor diagram. Okay, so the short transmission line phasor diagram is drawn like this. Here you can see the current is lagging at the angle phi r. And what is the angle phi r? It is nothing but the 36.86. So here you can see the current is lagging at 36.86 degree, but it will be minus value. Okay, now you can see the voltage drop IR and IXL, and this sum will give you a IZ. Okay, and you can see here the total angle is phi s, and its subpart is one is alpha and one is phi r. So we have find the value of phi r. Now we will find the value of phi s and alpha also, but it will but later we will find it later. So first we will find the sending end voltage. The sending end voltage is given as VR plus IZ. Okay, so we have value of VR and Z also, but we have not find out the value of I. So first we will find the value of I by using the formula P is equal to VI cos phi for the single phase. Okay, so by this formula we can get the value of I, which is 41.66 ampere. Okay, and previous I have told also the current is lagging at the angle phi r, which is minus 36.86. So angle will be so I will be 41.66 angle minus 36.86. Converting into rectangular, what we will get? 33.33 minus J25 ampere. Okay, now put this value in this equation, we will get 33709.10 angle 0.4248. Okay, so this is the value of the Vs. Now what will be the value of this alpha? This will be equal to 0.4248, because when you see the phasor diagram, the the line which is drawn for the Vs at angle alpha. Okay, so here we can find that value of alpha is 0.4248. Okay, now we'll find the value of phi s, means we have to find the sending end power factor, but before solving sending end power factor we have to find the value of phi s. So what is phi s? From the Fraser diagram we can see phi r plus alpha. Okay, so we have value of phi r also 36.86 plus 0.4248, we will get 37.2848. So now we put the value in this formula, we get 0.7956 lagging. Okay, the third point is transmission efficiency. The formula of the transmission efficiency is given as output delivered by power sent, and the again we have the formula of the power sent is output delivered plus line losses. We have the value of output delivered, but we have to find the line losses, and the equation of the line losses is given as I square r, which is equal to 41.66 into 10, which will be equal to 17355.55. Okay, now put this value in this equation, we will get the transmission efficiency, which is equal to 98.44%. And last is voltage regulation. This is the formula of the voltage regulation: Vs minus Vr divided by Vr. All the value we have find, we have the value of Vs, we have the value of Vr. Put simple put simple in the formula, and we get voltage regulation of 2.148%. So this is the way to find out the short transmission line numerical.